you for this week we're going to be working on place value. So there's this short video you're going to watch that has some examples of the sorts of questions you might come across and some time for you to do some practice, and then you're going to go ahead and do your independent task in your book at the end of this very short video. So let's get going. Today we're looking at partitioning numbers using our knowledge of place value. Remember, partitioning just means that you're splitting a whole up into parts. So if we take this number here, for instance, well, I've got my ones column and my tens column and my hundreds column and my thousands column. So I've got 2,456. And we can partition that using place value by saying, well, this is the same as 2,000 and 450, 5 tens, and 6 ones. So I've just split up this number into the place value columns, thinking about the value of each digit. So now you're going to have a go at doing this example, very similar to the one I've just done. So write it down, see if you can fill in the gaps, pause the video, have a go, and then once you've finished doing that, unpause and we'll go through the answer together. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so you've had a go. Let's see if you got the answer right. So again, we've got our ones, tens, hundreds, and our thousands. So we've got 4,650 and 7. So 4,650 and 7 is the same as 4,657. Let's look at a different example. Here you can see we've got slightly different because there are no hundreds. So I've got 4,000, no hundreds, 30, and 5. All adds up to 4,035. Again, your turn. What have you got here? What number is this? How could you split it up? So pause the video, have a go, and then unpause as soon as you're ready. So here we go. Did you get it? You've got 1,900. This time there are no tens. So we've got no tens here, and then 3 ones. We could also write that just straight away as 1,903. We don't even need this column here because we've got no tens. Now, the key thing with this is that actually we don't have to partition numbers in a particular way as long as the total is the same. It doesn't really matter how we split up the number, and that can be really helpful for us as mathematicians. So here we've got this number split up slightly differently. It hasn't been done directly in line with the place value columns. So at the moment I've only got 2,000, but I need to get to 5,000. So I need another 3,000. 2,000 and 3,000 is 5,000. I've got my 400, but then I need 35 in total. I've only got 32. So I need another 3. 32 add 3 is 35. And again, if we add all of these up, it will equal 5,435. Remember, that's what this equal signs means, that this side and this side are exactly the same. So what about this one? Again, think carefully. I need to make sure that this all adds together to make 3,436. So pause the video now, see if you can fill it in, and then we'll go through it together. Okay, here we go. So I need to get to 3,000. I've only got 1,000 at the moment, so I need another 2,000. Then I've got 210. Well, I want to get to 430. I've already got this 6 at the end. So how do I get from 210 to 430? Well, I need to add another 220. And then 6 at the end. And again, if we just check that, if I add all these up using a column method, I should see that I get to this whole. So 6, I get 3 tens, 400s, and 3 thousands. So now you've completed this video, you can go back if you want to go back through any of those questions, or go on now and have a go at your independent task.